Hi guys, this is Pranav Karat and welcome to another episode on Keep It Simple Silly. Today's topic is on how to do pricing negotiation when the client says we really love your product but your price is too high. Now let's get right into the video to help you navigate through this sticky situation. The first rule of thumb before you offer any kind of discounts is to ask them a simple why. You see, it's crucial to understand the reasoning behind their objection. Is it a budget constraint, a perception of value, or something entirely different? By asking them a simple why, you open up the conversation and get to the root of this concern. My second advice would be to demonstrate added value instead of slashing prices. Break down what they get for the price. This might include features, support, and any extras. Show them how your product outperforms competitors and the unique benefit it brings. Additionally, explain how the cost is allocated. Help them understand that the price reflects the quality, R&D, and the support that go into your product. Next, talk about the ROI. If they invest X amount in your product, what do they get in return? Highlight the long-term gains, efficiency, improvements, and the cost savings. Offer discount that makes sense, because if they still insist that the price is high, you can make a discount that won't hurt your profits. Start with a limited time offer or a volume discount for a long-term commitment. Make sure the discount is strategically designed to maintain your margins. I hope these suggestions help you tackle the price is high objections better. And that's a wrap for today, guys. A big shout out to Intandemly who makes this channel possible. Keep tuning in, and until next time, this is Pranav Karat signing off.